What's y'all? Doing a little bit of adjustments here. Man, mess. But put this amp, put down the watt phonics to your right there. Put the amp up in here, man. It's got my lights dimming. Not bad, but they dimming. I don't like it. So what I did is I took out that battery that I originally had back there, and I got a 2,000 watt bigger battery I'm gonna put back here. So I'm in the process of taking, just moving the distribution block up so it can clear. So actually the back of the battery will be pushed in so I can put that back seat back in and it won't push it out or anything like that. So just a little minor adjustment. I ain't gotta do it later or nothing. I'll just do it now and get it out the way. You know, that way no problems later on. So but what I did is that my lights were dimming real bad. Well, not that bad, but they was dimming. I didn't like it. Don't want that. So what I did is I took the other battery out. And I added this one. It didn't really take me that much to do. I had actually another power wire fuse so I can make it longer, but it's up here now.